Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing a collective haul. I have like some really cute basic pieces for like fall time. Y'all know it's getting a little chilly outside. Some days it be chilly, some days it be hot. Girl, so yeah, I have it all. So if you're interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on. If you watch any of my vlogs, then you have already seen this because I showed y'all in the vlog. But this is this cute little bag, y'all. I just love a good shoulder bag, and just like the little, like the size of it is just like everything to me. So I got this little cute shoulder bag from H&M. The straps on it, I'm gonna bring it closer so y'all can see. The straps on it is brown, and then it just has like this little chain right here, and it just is cream and the letters are brown. Like, how cute is this? Like, this is just so cute, y'all. Me personally, my style is like a street style wear, so I feel like this fits perfectly with my sense of style, y'all. So I'm trying to get on my little sneaker game, like trying to get my shoes up. So I did pick up a pair of sneakers, and these are the Jordans that just came out like 2 weeks ago. So these are the Air Jordan Retro 3s, and this is the pine green, silver, and white. These are super cute to me, y'all. I just love like a little chill, laid back shoe. Nothing that's like doing the most. I haven't worn these yet, but these are so cute, y'all. So this is how they look, and I feel like 3s honestly run a little bit small, so I feel like I could have got like a half size up. But these are fine, but I feel like if my foot was to grow, it wouldn't fit. But these are really, really cute to me, y'all. This is how they look, and they're just so cute. Like, I really, really love these. I cannot wait to style these and wear these. So I think I got these for like $150. I do wear the kids size. Thank God I can wear kid size, okay? Because Jordans, yeah, I ain't trying to pay the whole. I think it's like $250 for the men's size, and the kid size is $150. So we ain't complaining over here, honey. So yeah, I got these in a size 5, but I feel like I could have got a size 5.5. Alright, y'all, so the next thing is actually going to be for this cold weather, because girl, some days it be cold. Like, I wake up and it's like 40 degrees. So I have this cute little puffer jacket. I love me a good puffer jacket moment. It just, like, puffer jackets are just so cute to me. So I just have this little puffer jacket that I got from H&M. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like, if I want to say like $30. I really can't remember, y'all. But this is so cute. I love wearing this. Literally, I can wear this with anything because one, it's black, so it goes with a lot of things. It just has the silver lining on it. And yeah, this one doesn't have a hood on it. I do like getting jackets with hoods on it, but this one specifically does not have a hood on it. But this definitely keeps me warm, y'all. Like, this is a good jacket. Alright, girl, so the next thing that I got was actually these pair of pants. And y'all, these are so super cute. Of course, these are too big. They're not too big, they're too long. So me, I'm like 4'11". I'm really, really short. So it's kind of hard for me to find jeans that don't like run to the ground. Girl, when I tell y'all, these are literally like on the ground. Like, I can literally tuck my foot inside of the pant. That's how long these are. But these are so cute. They just have the little detail on the side. It's just like the little crisscross. I just thought these were so cute, y'all, and I'm just so sad that I cannot fit them. Like, they just are too long. Y'all, I didn't realize that everything that I'm showing you all is from H&M. So this is like basically H&M haul. But the next pieces that I'm going to be showing you all is actually going to be like a little 2-piece set. So I got this, of course, from H&M. So it's this 2-piece set. It's just the jogger pants and the actual sweatshirt. I don't know why it's looking so bright. Let me turn down my light. Like, why is it so bright? But yeah, so this is the jogger pant. It looks like this. I would say this is kind of like a, I don't know what color this would be. Like a cream color, kind of. I hope y'all can see that, because it's really giving me, it's too much. It's too bright. I hope y'all can see that. But I'm going to try it on for y'all so y'all can see how it looks on the body. But these are so cute and they're so comfortable. But one thing I do hate, like, that H&M does, like, I've worn these before already. And when you wash them and dry them, the inside of the pant, it's like gets that bunching feel. Like, it's so annoying. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all see that? Like, all the little bunching. Like, that's like so annoying. I hate when their pants do that. And then this is just the set that it comes with. This is so cute, y'all. I love this color. Like I said, my favorite color is brown. I love like nudes and stuff like that. That's just my vibe. So I'm a very basic girl, okay? Very basic. But I feel like basics are like necessary in life because you can like mix and match with different things. You can dress it up, dress it down. So yeah, this is how this looks. It just has the drawstring in the front. And this hoodie actually has a slit on the side, which I thought was really, really cute. Okay, so the next thing on the list is actually going to be some pants. Yeah, these are pants. I'm trying to think if I wanted to say pants or joggers. But these are pants, girl. So I got these cute little pants. I haven't worn these yet. So these have like the little elastic waist, which I really do love because one, that means that it stretches, so it can stretch to your body type. So yeah, I really do like that. And then it's just a regular little pant. These are so cute. This is like a little khaki color. They fit so good too, y'all. I tried these on in the store. Girl, they fit really good. So yeah, I really do love these. I'm going to try them on for y'all. I have it on the side. You already know. So yeah, these are really cute. And then it says that it's supposed to be 20% recycled cotton. Alright, girl. So the last thing on the list is actually going to be another pair of joggers. I told y'all this is like a basics haul, so I don't really have like, you know, anything that's like dressy wise. But let me know if y'all want me to do like a little, like a different type of haul instead of just basics. Let me know down below. So yeah, this is like the last jogger that I have. And this is like a mauve color, right? This looks mauve, right? Yeah, so this is really cute. I feel like it's still kind of in the nude family, but just not nude, but it's like that subtle color. It's nothing too bright, nothing too serious. It's still on the safe side, which I like. So this is really, really cute. So it's just a regular little jogger with the drawstrings. This is such a cute color though, y'all. I wish they would have had the hoodie to go with this, but they didn't have the hoodie in this color. But this is really, really cute, and it has pockets. Their joggers really do fit comfortably, but their joggers run very big in my opinion. So I always size down. So this one is a size medium. I usually wear like a size large, but I wanted my joggers to be kind of like fitted. I didn't want them to be too baggy because sometimes this stuff can be too baggy. Alright, little mama, so that is basically the end of this video. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.